Hi, welcome to Nebula. This is a secured file sharing application that can be used to share files over cloud securely. We chose this topic for our project in cloud computing because of the ever-increasing concern of cloud security. We are using CPABE, that is, Ciphertext Attribute-Based Encryption Scheme of the ABE algorithm to encrypt and decrypt files. The scheme has been divided into four major parts, namely setup, key generation, encryption, and decryption. In the setup step, we basically set up all the public parameters, that is, the attributes of the users and the data owners. In the key generation step, we generate three different types of keys, namely master secret key, public key, and private key. Encryption is the process of encrypting a file and uploading it to the cloud. Here, we encrypt the file by using the public key, the master secret key, and the policy that has been generated by the data owner. Here, the data owner decides his policy, as in whom he should grant access to the file. The last step is decryption. Here, the file is decrypted and can be used. The user matches his private key to the policy that has been generated by the data owner. If the policy and the user's private key are matched, then the user has access to the file. If they don't match, then the user is not authorized and cannot access the file. Hi, now we will start with the demo. As you can see, we are already on the login page, which will allow the existing users to log into the system. If you are a new user, then you can sign up to the Nebula system using the sign up page. These are the following attributes that you need to enter to sign up for the Nebula system. Since we already have registered few users for the demo purpose, we have skipped through the sign up process and now we will directly go to the home page. Here you can see two options, which are upload a file or access a file. If you are a data owner, then you can upload the file with the attributes that will decide the policy and the keys used for encryption and decryption. On this upload file page, you can upload the file that you want to encrypt and store it on the cloud. Here we have selected the file which we want to store on the cloud. Also, as you can see, we have entered the various attributes which will help us to generate the policy that will be used to encrypt the file. Now we will upload the file. As you can see, the upload was successful and the file has been encrypted using the policy that we just entered. Here you can see the various keys that has been generated by the keygen function. Since we uploaded the file has been encrypted with a .cpabe extension, and also the various keys have been generated, mainly the master key, the private key, and the public key. Now, a data user wants to access the file that has been stored in the cloud by the data owner. Let's access the file now. The data user will enter the name of the file that he wants to download from the cloud. As you can see, the data user matches the attributes of the data user matched with the attributes that the data owner had set while encrypting the file. So the data user was able to download the file successfully. Now another data user wants to access the same file that has been stored on the cloud. Now he'll try to access the file. we get an error message which says that you are not authorized to access this file. This explains the scenario that the second data user did not match the policy that was generated by the data owner, as in the attributes of the second data user were not similar to the attributes that the data owner had set. Hence, the second data user was not able to access the file. That's all about the Nebula system. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much. As you saw, the authorized data users would access the file, whereas the unauthorized user could not download the file, thereby satisfying the authorization and the authentication policies of the Nebula system. The Nebula system satisfies all the 5 characteristics of cloud computing. On-demand self-service. By using the web application, we have minimized the human interaction which is needed for such services. Broad network access. Since it's a web application, it has been supported on various platforms ranging from mobile devices to laptops to tablets. Rapid elasticity. By setting the policy in such a way that the data owner can share it with many users just by help of one click. Resource pooling. Since the data owner has not been statically assigned with the storage, the data owner can dynamically ask for more storage if he or she is short of storage. Measured service. The data owner will be charged as per the storage that he or she uses.